Here's the 5-cushioner. He leaves it on the black like that because he knows it's money in the bank. It's preposterous.
Fabulous long pot from Sean Murphy, but not out of the woods yet. How does he get onto the yellow, which only pots to the green pocket? He's kind of on it, but if you can see all of the yellow, he'll probably just send the yellow up this end of the table and leave the cue ball tight and behind the brown. Can't believe I just said he was going to play a safety shot. It's that match last night, it's done me in.
Yeah, head scrambled.
It's half ball, round the back of the yellow. There's an outside chance of getting in behind blue here. That's a new one, isn't it? 3-ball, plant, cannon and in.
Well, he's still not missed a long pot all night, Yanbing Town. That's 14 out of 14 now. Seriously impressive.
Yeah, this one really did go cleanly into the middle of the pocket.
Oh, what a shot.
It's like a cruise missile, wasn't it, that cue ball into the reds? So he's giving himself every chance. Getting on the hot shots. What a pot that was. That's a seriously good pot from Neil Robertson, considering a couple he'd missed earlier on. Obviously a heavy degree of safety in mind, but what a pot.
Yeah, I think I did have safety in mind, but he didn't really get the cue ball back into the bulk area of it.
$55.
Oh, what a shot.
Well, I don't think that's the way he was planning, but
there you can see it does go past the other one, but it's very thin. Oh, he's so good at those shots, isn't he?
the noise down, please. Thank you.
Well, what about this for a shot? Well, I assume the break was over, and I should think Mark Selby sitting in his chair did also. That was a very acute angle. He had to drop it in dead weight. What a shot that is. That's brilliant.
Wow. What a pot. What a pot.
Yeah, there's a hot shot right there. Incredible pot.
Well played, that was deliberate. Now this is where you've got to be clever.
Kidding. You are kidding.
17.
What a shot. Look at the position on the green.
He just looks a wee bit laboured.
Vicious miscue. Sure, a few people at home might have flinched there. The cue ball was coming for you.
Actually quite a good safety shot.
Foul. Maguire, 4.